Hey guys, so this is really fucking weird and I wanted to share. I started training this model on Chatgpt 4 and I've basically been feeding it a bunch of stock charts and where it thinks that it's actually going, like what the predictions are, right? And I recently, if you can watch my previous videos, I did this with SPX and Bitcoin and it was pretty accurate, but I wanted to really give it something that is kind of upcoming, right, to see what's happening. And I gave it the monthly chart on GameStop, right? And it basically put out, this is what it actually put out, right? So we can see that here, it's actually giving me, it's having like technical issues, but I ran the code for what it was actually predicting and it draws it like right here. So for whatever reason, it's looking at GameStop at like maybe a $55 price tag right now. And if we actually look at GME on the monthly, or better yet, on the 3-month, if we actually go to TradingView, I don't know why this thing's going so slow. This is kind of crazy. Maybe if I get out. I'm not really sure why it's loading so slow. Anyways, I essentially have some indicators, right, that I use, that I custom built myself. I've been using them and they've been back tested to be ridiculously accurate for the market, right? And on the 3-month, right, every single time we have a 3-month bull trigger on my custom indicators, we run a ridiculous amount. And this was even before the squeeze on GameStop. So I'm not sure why my internet's not loading, but yeah, I essentially trained this model on ChatGPT to give me stock market predictions, and it's thinking that GameStop is going to go to $55. So as far as time frame, I'm not 100% sure. My guess is, because we're using the monthly, it's going to be at least, I don't know, 6 months to like a year. That's what my guess is, right? Somewhere between like 6 months is my guess. But yeah, I trained this model. It's been ridiculously accurate. It predicted SPX, to 500 when it was at 400 and something. It predicted the 56K dropped on Bitcoin. I don't know, man. We'll see what happens. But GameStop, it's looking for like a 55 stock price. Kind of nuts.